let's try to solve another Leetcode problem. 1056, confusing number. So the problem is that a confusing number is a number that when rotated 180 degrees becomes a different number with each digit valid. So this means, yeah, we can check just the example. So 0, 1, 6, and 8 and 9 are rotated 180 degrees, and they become like 0, 1. So 6 becomes 9, 8 is 8, and 9 becomes 6, respectively. So that is okay. But while for 2, 3, 4, and 5, 7 are rotated 180 degrees, and they become invalid. So this is what is valid, and this is what is invalid. So note that after rotating a number, we can ignore leading zeros. So we will ignore leading zeros. For example, 8000 and 0008, which is considered as just 8. Yeah. So give me an integer n. So we're gonna return true if it is a confusing number, or false otherwise. Yeah, let's just check some examples. But for here, actually this is also a valid rotation, because 8 is different from 8000. Yeah, so I think that it should say, for example, this is a valid rotation, but it didn't say. It just tell you this is a rotation. So this is not good. Yeah. So we are giving an integer n. So we're gonna return true if it is a confusing number. Let's check some example. So for 6, 8, it is both valid and it can be rotated. So this is okay. So 89, 68. So this is true because it is a different value. Yeah. And for this 11, 11, it is false because it is the same value. We need to, after rotation, we need to get a different value. Yeah. How can we solve it easily? So the first idea is that encoding. I'm going to encode the rotations to a dictionary. So let me just do it. I'm going to use AD. So for AD, inside all those valid numbers, yeah. So it's going to be 0, 1, and 6, 8, 9. So what's going to be the B? So B going to be like 0, 1, 9, 8. 6, yeah, but we need to zip them together, so we're gonna use a zip. Yeah, so we're gonna zip those two strings together and put them inside a dictionary. So this is what we need to prepare. Now let me just prepare a result, because result is gonna be easier to solve this problem. If we directly use integers, we have to we have to prepare some calculations like mod and division, but here we don't want to do that. We just need to use the string operations to do it, because in Python it is much easier. So we're gonna prepare an empty string, and we're gonna loop through the numbers. So for each character inside the string of this number. Yeah. Now we're gonna put it inside of the result. How can we update the result? Because it's going to turn 180 degrees. So for example, 8, 9, and 6, 8, it means this 9 is going to be from the beginning. Yeah, so this means the result is going to equal to, with this number, we're going to first find it plus this result. Yeah, so for example, for the first one, it is 8, and we get 8, so the result is 8. So after that, we're going to get 6, so it's going to be 6 plus 8, it's going to be 68. Yeah. So finally, we just need to check the integer of result should not equal to n. Yeah. Let me just run it. As you can see, it works. Now let me just submit it. What is wrong? Yeah, because I didn't check the unvalid numbers. There can be some numbers which is not inside the dictionary. This means I need to have a check. Yeah. So I need to check this C. If C is inside of the dictionary, so I'm gonna do it. Yeah, so if it is not inside, do I need to do it? If it is not inside, I need to return a false. But currently, what if, let me just put it inside and check. Yeah, what if let me just run it. You see, it didn't work. Yeah, because some numbers can be not inside of the dictionary. So if it is not inside, definitely I'm gonna return a false immediately. Yeah, otherwise I'm gonna check the final result. Now let me just run it. Now as you can see it works, and let me just submit it. Yeah. Now as you can see it passed for all testing cases, and it's pretty fast. And the time complexity is ON. and this n is just the length of the numbers. So actually it is yeah, it is 10 to the power of 9. So basically this is a 10. Yeah, because there are 10 digits, we just turn the numbers into a string. So the length of the string maximum gonna be 10. So this is why the time complexity is nearly 01, or we're gonna call it 010. I think that's all about it. Thank you for watching. See you next time.